So here I got the bed rail from CanFord. I just assembled this and installed this on my bed. I was going through some of the frequently asked questions, so I was going to answer those for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. The questions I was seeing is, what is the assembly time like? What height mattress should you have with this bed rail? And the third question I was seeing is, what is the weight limit on it? So I'm going to answer all those and hopefully help you out with your purchase. Let's get into that first question, which is, what is the assembly time like? So super easy to assemble. There's no tools involved. You just snap it into place and you're good to go. Got a video going in the corner. We can kind of see the whole overview to it. But I had it assembled and installed on my bed in maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It was very easy to do. Everything's labeled nicely for you, so expect to get it done in like 5 to 10 minutes. Super simple. Now that second question, which is what type of mattress height should you use with this? So I have a 10-inch mattress that sits on a box spring. So 10-inch mattress. This is 17.5 inches from the bottom of this to the top. Like I said, I have a 10-inch mattress, so you have a nice area there where you can hold on to it and it'll block you. So I would say you should have in between like a 6 to 10-inch mattress. If you do have a 12-inch mattress, it may sit a little too high on there where this wouldn't really give you much of an area to, kind of block you if you're going to fall off your bed. So I would say a mattress should be between 6 to 10 inches if you're going to use this bed rail. And now for the final question, what is the weight limit to it? So I did look around a little bit. They didn't have any weight limit in the manual, but I'm 200 pounds and I can put my whole weight onto this and it holds me fine. And I don't think you're going to be really hanging on this like I just was. It's fully metal, so I could, say it supports well over 200 pounds. You're going to be good to go with this bed rail. But overall, this is super easy to get out of my bed and assemble. What I like about it too, and I've reviewed a bunch of these, this is one of the few where you can actually adjust it so you can bring it down. Most of them, they slide under there and they're just stuck on there. You can't move around. So this one, you can actually just slide down. And it's basically like it's not even on your bed. When you are ready to use it, flip it up, it'll lock into place. You're good to go. So that makes it super convenient. But overall, it's easy to put together, affordable, great little tool if you're having trouble getting it on your bed. So I give it 2 thumbs up.